In this tutorial video, we're going to be looking at renaming fractions as percent, and you'll notice that each of these denominators is a factor of 100, and so that will help make this a lot easier. So, for example, let's deal with 3/5. Well, we need to make the denominators in all of these fractions 100. So how can I make 5 into 100? What can I multiply 5 by to get 100? Well, of course, we multiply by 20. That creates a denominator of 100, and whatever we do to either the denominator or the numerator, we must do to the other as well. So we've multiplied the denominator by 20, so we've got to multiply the numerator by 20, which equals 60. That gives us 60 over 100, and that makes it 60%. Let's try this one over here. We've got 25, so if you multiply by 4, we get 100. And that means we must do the same to the top. And that gives us 96. So 24 out of 25 is 96%. This one here, let's multiply by 10. Multiply by 10. What we get is 40 over 100. And that gives us 40%. This one here, we've got 20, so multiply by 5. Multiply by 5. That gives us 100 as the denominator, 90 for the numerator, which means the percent is 90%. This one here, multiply by 2, and we have 80 over 100, which is 80%. And that really is all there is to it.